I mean, seriously, kiss my I mean, are you kidding me? I was clearing the 11 and he died about me. What a 19 actually took me out. I wonder why people hate him. Brian, if I find out that you didn't give me full throttle, I'm gonna be one pissed off girl. David Reagan's such a jackass. 88, did he hit me?
Oh yeah, he said he didn't have any brakes.
Go yourself. I mean, really? Didn't have any brakes. Why would you drive in underneath me? Weren't you thinking about that? Maybe the corner before that?
Still outside, just 55.
I hate him.
Thought you were mad at me.
Oh, no. How could I be mad at you? You're too cute. Who the hit me? Everybody's such a to me, honestly. They just are. Be smart and hit all those nuts, and that sounded funny. And have a great night. Trevor, God. He just jumps out of the throttle like an idiot. If I can wreck the 95, I would. I hate him. Keep me away from him, because I'm pissed. I don't know if Trevor got the message, but I'll send it a little louder if he needs it. Giving us the one finger.
Which finger?
Yeah, the first one.
Still up right on your bumper, 22.
Number 6, he just bonsai'd in and cut up right in front of me. God, I hate racing around him. Are you kidding me? I mean, don't worry about it, guys. We just, went a lap down in the Daytona 500 because your information was Thanks. I kind of got to go pee, and I'm not going to let tonight be the first time that I do it in my suit. That's a 38.
Yes.
Damn it. I was meaning to take him out. I'll have to next time. I see damage on Ricky's car, and kind of bummed because he was running the top 10. He said he was going to redo the backyard, the pool, if he finished in the top 10. Dang it. You got a hell of a handbag out here. I mean, I'm racing a 34 for crying out loud. And I get that you're scared to try something, but at some point, you got to know what to do. I tell you. He's so mean to me. I hate him. That just love to go out and take him out.
Go ahead.
What the was that? Either you called it late or he's pissed about something. Hey, seriously, we need to sort this out. If my boss is hitting me down the back straight, it's either because I cut him off and I didn't know it, or he's just going off the deep end. That damn 51 was driving like a complete jackass out there. I am not at all surprised he wrecked.
Just a 3. Still inside.
That was the Maybe if you wouldn't have hit me last time, I'd be a little nicer. What the is that? I don't know what the hell that 98's problem is, but he was the one being in.
Oh yeah, I'm watching. I'm gonna beat the out of him too. Please go talk to the 98. Tell him to back the off.
Tell their guys, I'm gonna clip them if they get that close again. What the hell do they do that for? Like, I'm 5 laps down. I'm tired of in here. Like when you're on ice skates, you don't really know. You're just all over the place. Is this Kevin in front of me?
Yep.
Three's gonna get punted.
He doesn't have a clue what he's doing.
I'm sure. I hope you know how hard I'm trying. Three's being a real jackass. 2 tires, not 4. The fact that everything's tight at 300.
What is she talking about? Temps are 300 and the whole rest of the world is crashing down.
That 38 is no matter what I do, he's today. Horsepower!
Move him if you have to. On your bumper inside. Inside, just 24.
I'm about to make this yellow. What the happened?
11 right.
I mean, what the is Denny's problem? How many times does he need to wreck me? Hey man, you must be kidding me with that penalty. Underneath does not mean not on top. Either left side under the box or right side. I have never heard either rule.
Maybe not, but they were definitely clear about it today.
The fact that everybody's getting busted probably means it wasn't that clear.
Junior just said that if we block him once, fine. If we block him twice, it's taking us out.
It's not blocking, it's picking up your lane. Don't tell me he doesn't do that. All we have for luck is bad. God, and we just need to fix elementary. Radios, brakes, radiator, come on. Where's the leader?
In a different zip code.
And traffic's just a what the I don't know what I should have, could have, would have done. God, look how slow I am. I'm not going to the bottom from now on. Need to make sure we can hear each other clearly, and the right radio's on top of the radios. You know, I don't know if there's a priority button or not, but it should be me.
I'm greedy. I want to keep everything I can till the end. I hate to have to key up the mic and tell you that I don't have enough.
I thought that you had an endless supply.
No, I wish.
Oh, my sources are wrong then.
Just 98, so.
What the hell is that?
A roadblock.
You can't drive in on their tour on the second lane and expect the pass to happen, you idiot. What the did you do to me? All over the place. I mean, this thing's a piece of Thanks for keeping your cool. I sure as hell did. That was a cluster.
10 more, I'm loose.
I mean, it's 5 out of 5 loose, like awful.
You're alright right there. Somebody hit us just then. Damn it.
I had it saved.
You did a hell of a job there. You okay?
I'm fine, I'm just pissed that I had it saved.
That was bullshit. Seriously, what is this spotter up there thinking, Chip? The dude was got a broken right rear bumper and he's trying to race?
That worked out about as awful as it could. I feel like the only luck we have is bad. There's been like 1 or 2 lucky things this year, but I feel like it's the story of my cup life.
Are you kidding me?
Idiots. Who the hell did not see that coming?
I'm fine, I'm just fucking pissed.
I need my car to be better. Thing will turn any place I put it. What the hell is that? Can race control see what the going on? That was a really interesting public service announcement. There's some really good looking ladies, and that the guys should keep their shirt on probably. Awesome. Well, I just managed to figure out how to drink my bottle of water with my helmet on. I used it like a squeezy bottle. Don't play Mr. Nice Guy, Reagan. What the I think we might be the slowest car out here. Like, I don't know. I can't do anything. I didn't get any help on pit in, so you saw what happened. I about got crashed because I went so fast coming in. You know, you say just pit with people. Well, it's really hard to do that when you're just come out of the corner and slam on the brakes. So I'm sorry I missed pit in, but I about crashed with 2 cars on the way in. We just need a more organization when it comes to pitting on speedways. People don't look. I got a tire going down. Damn it!
That was stupid.
Sorry. I don't know what the hell was wrong with that 23, but I was about to turn him. I don't understand why he just doesn't back the off. He is a teammate. 25 laps down and all he does is drive next to me. He just hit me. That's all these do.
Yeah, 18.
Well, what the fuck was that?
Did we go a lap down?
Yeah.
Oh.
Inside's been checking up every time on the restart the first lap. I think you learned that last time.
I tried it twice and what is it? Something like once it's my fault, second, I don't know, something. I don't know. Anyways.
That fucking 78's piece of shit.
That's been the whole fucking night with him. He's been a dick all night. Oh, man. Damn it. It's no good. I'm stuck in the water. God, what the hell happened?
43 on your bumper.
Should've guessed he'd be a
5, 4, 3, 2.
Can't tell you how pissed off I am right now. Like 11 out of 10. I hope NASCAR's listening. It's because he was probably the lucky dog. That's what he did to me at Loudon. He's an idiot. Good for you for making the effort, but he's dirty. I absolutely hate all the dinger. Fucking hate some cars out here. Fucking lap traffic. The 32 being a race lap.
Now let's get back in our rhythm. Let's get our speed back here.
Trying. I really am trying. Fucking 88 hit me when we're in a big fucking pack. What the fuck? It starts with a damn thing not stopping. Has to stop. If a tree falls in the woods and there's no one there to hear it, did it really make a noise?
Well, slowing everybody down there. He's blocking those 2 cars ahead of you, so you're so fast, man.
Shocker. All over the place. 78, he sucks. I just hate racing around him. Wait, communicate with me. Let me know when it's time to go. Let's get with it.
Who are you talking to?
Talking to you, I had no idea when to go. The fuel had pulled out, and we were sitting there for a while, and all we had done is a couple of green laps.
I'm telling you what, how about you calm down just a little bit? We're doing the best we can in here.
That run is out of control. Tight now. 48 throws his hand out the window like he wants to know what the going on. I'm like, I'm bracing for a position, man. What the f*** is he doing? What the fuck was that? I was starting to think I win and I'm in the chase right here. Let's do this. I didn't do shit. Damn it sure is frustrating when you get a run on somebody off the corner and you don't go anywhere.
What happened now?
You tell me. I heard just 14 inside, then the 17 hit me. You would think it was a full moon tonight with the way people are driving. Tries to take me hard every time. I'm sorry that I'm coming after him if he does it again. In fact, I might just do it right now.
Shaking, so pissed off.
I needed a lot more help on that. I needed something. Spinning doesn't tell me. I need to know spinning coming up the track. You could call that a love tap. Or real love.
Now that start was terrible. I mean,